gonna lie, Q's been doing pretty good, man. Everything about it has been solid. Updated, you know, mod list. So it's your boy Hot Tide Chris. You know, this time it's gonna be at night. This time we're gonna do it in a little secluded area.
Maybe if we hit a little underpass, I'ma go crazy and give a little burble ho. I'm in the
let's talk about the VR30, man. She is bagged, as you can see. She's tuned, as you can hear. Shout out to that boy Sonic, Mark, over at Sonic Tune. She is modded. She has, let's start with aesthetics, right? We did that last time. We got the 20-inch Asanti wheels, 20x9 all the way around, plus 35 offset. So tucking a little bit when I air it out, but I could get some spacers. We got, you know, front lip, side skirts, rear Ams down duckbill lip, side canards, and then we also have honeycomb carbon mirror caps. Those are pretty dope. Not gonna lie, I really like those. Headlights, front badge, little tow hook to match the cyan trims. I painted my caliper cyan. Jordan slided rotors. I know there's a performance, but they also look good. So aesthetically, yeah, that's pretty much it. Chrome delete, blacked out the door panels, and then the diffuser, which is pretty dope. You have third brake light diffuser. I got it to flash when I actually engage the brake, and then custom tag, bag riders, license plate cover, infinity chrome delete for the rear trunk panel. Also blacked out my emblems or my badges, except for the SilverSport badge. So y'all boys can see I'm not playing with y'all boys. Put some sign, you know, decals on my shit. I have a Cricket, so made those myself. If y'all want some, let me know. I got to get a front end done. It's kind of, you guys remember when I replaced my bumper and I painted it? Because of the rubbing of the lack of fitment or improper fitment, it eventually ate up on the clear coat, and so gotta get that done. But I'm not really worried about that at all, because that's holding on solid, and aesthetically I'm pleased with the car and how it does and how it is. A couple dents too. I do have a couple dents. I'll show you just to be transparent from the time that I've had with the car. So right there is a dent, and right here is a little dent. You can see, but other than that, man, yeah, she's solid, bro. Like extra cool. I had to push my dust shield back. I was having this little sound on it, but other than that, I love this car. I do have some Beamer friends who want me to go F340i, B58 and 6, but you know I'm a GTR head, man, so what the fuck do I look like? Like, I ain't gonna lie, them boys got it as far as like power, custom ability, but you got to spend an extra 30 racks. So I got kids. I decided to save mines, you know what I'm saying, and get a Q50 and pimp this shit out. But y'all let me know what y'all favorite part is aesthetically. Let's go into the performance, right? So we got, like I said, Jordan slided rotors. Let's talk about the engine. We got this arc exhaust that y'all love, and y'all always ask me about. But it's not the arc exhaust that y'all are asking me about. It is the full downpipes with the arc exhaust. I just want to make that clear. You can't just slap a Catback on your shit and think it's gonna sound mean and dirty like this. You have to open it up from the turbos. So get fulls, you can go catless, you can go cat it, don't matter. But then you open up, you start with the fulls, and then you go, or you can get lowers, but fulls really give you that power and that, you know what I'm saying, real dirty sound. I went with cats. I'm not gonna gatekeep. I'll let y'all boys know. But y'all gotta spend the money to sound like this, no cap. You really gotta spend it, pay to play. Like, this shit ain't cheap. You know what I mean? Like, y'all boys spend 2 bands and be like, yeah, I want to sound like him. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, bro. You gotta spend it. You gotta actually invest in your sound. You know what I'm saying? So you can have a different sounding Q. Y'all boys want to sound like everybody else. Shit, everybody else VR30 with the trumpet. Go ahead, spend them 1 rack. Spend the one rack. Go ahead. You gonna end up going back and spending another fucking four racks. So if you wanna, you know what I'm saying, really have a distinctive sound, you could customize it like my boy Carol. Go, you know, wide to mid, and then maybe you can go single, or you can go wide to mid to a axle back, maybe put a resi on it or just go lowers. It depends, bro. With a resi, you could go lowers with a resi and straight pipe back. It depends. So it's up to whatever you want to do. Just hit me up for whatever sound you really want to have. I'll help you out. Also, I'll help you out with the fitment of the wheels and shit. But let's keep getting into the performance. So you got the arc exhaust, and you also have full downpipes. That alone is giving me a shit ton of power because it's letting my turbos breathe, releasing all that back pressure. But to cool it down, in Florida, I have an Ams Heat Exchanger. Can't really see it right now with the light, but this is the Alpha brand on it from AMS. That makes me not heat soak as much, so I can get consistent power and make sure that my engine stays cool throughout runs and stuff. That radiator adds so much more capacity of coolant to be flushed through your system, and it's a big way to keep your engine cool. But also, I will be going Mishimoto intercoolers, expansion tank from AMS, probably the second water pump like the Red Sports have, and then that extra auxiliary tank on the fender on the passenger side, just to give it more cooling capacity and help it cool down, because I'm gonna be putting the turbos in there, so I need more cooling and more fueling. But right now, we're on 93 tune with Sonic. It's making power, as y'all saw with tires. We make really good power. It's an 11-second car, 0 to 60s, as you just saw it, right? That was one of my best times. So that nigga got smoked. Oh yeah, she bad. So the engine's healthy, the tires are good, it's sticking. I actually like this fitment on these tires more. As you saw, I had 230, I had 265/40 sidewalls. Now I got 255/35s like I originally had. And man, my times are the best they've ever fucking been. I asked Dan, I'm like, bro, what are better tires than these? And he was like, you could go with some other ones that's a little bit. We're gonna talk about the track setup later, right? This is my daily setup, and I'm still killing shit. But we're gonna have even better tires with lighter wheels. So y'all just stay tuned. But other than that, we do have the intakes to cool down the intake induction. So that's that. So AMS intakes, AMS heat exchanger, full downpipes, catback exhaust, and to lower the car, which is also kind of performance and aesthetics, we have air suspension from AirLift 3P. Really dope system. I actually love it. Let's check out the bags in the back, the little setup, because I didn't do that for y'all last time. But yeah, idle sounds good, man. Gonna lie. Get that open real quick. And this is gonna be a shorter one for y'all boys. I ain't really gonna have it too long. But yeah, this is my 5-gallon tank, 2 compressors, right? Little water trap back there. No condensation. Big ass leader line for my exhaust. Look at that. Watch this. Hey. As soon as, that was like 50 PSI right there. Oh God, that shit is amazing, honestly. But yeah, man, y'all heard some. That was that. I'm not doing that too much more. But I'm not getting no flame out when I go full. So I'm gonna go fulls, but catless. And so that's gonna be even more power, and it's gonna sound dirtier. I'm about to hit 3K. Y'all boys let me know. I might throw somebody these fulls, bro. And these motherfuckers was 1,800. So yeah, man, y'all boys, I'm really fucking with the vibes. Y'all are always showing love and everything, and we're about to monetize the channel soon, so I'm really fucking with y'all. I'm about to really show some love, as I always try to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it for aesthetics and performance. I think we aired it down last time, did all that. But yeah, man, other than that, I think aesthetically, I went over everything. Oh yeah, let me show you these headlights though, because we really got the wave on the motherfucking eyeball, bruh. I'm not gonna lie, it's tough as shit. I would give y'all some headlight animations right now, but I ain't trying to be riced out in this video. Y'all can see that in other videos. The lights move, all that. Cool. I'm really not even trying to pull up to the race meets with color on my shit, but or air it out. But you know, I gotta give him a little bit of rice, bro. Just a little bit. I'm only 3 years in the game. Like, you feel me? I'm only 3 years in the game, bro. So it's really not that serious for me to write some shit out. Let them niggas know, like, okay, I came from nothing, bro. 4 years ago, I could never change no motherfucking brake pads, bro. You know what I'm saying? And that's just a testament to, like, bro, if you feel like you can't do this shit, I'm telling you, bro, all it requires is tools and fearlessness, bro. That's it. Once you get past that line of, damn, that shit seems hard. You fuck some shit up, man, that shit easy as shit. Oh my God, everything, bro. And I ain't trying to flex that I did everything to this car. I'm just trying to let you know, bro, that boundary, that border that you gonna have before taking your shit to the next level or waiting on another nigga to do it or paying him $3,000. Nah, get your shit right, bro. Go get the tools, save your money and time. I mean, definitely an 11-second car still. Everything good, man. Engine sound good. You know, y'all boys hit me up and keep me posted. So, how tight, Chris? I'm gonna fuck with y'all. Let's get it.
That nigga ain't want no smoke. You, hey, Paul, you.
And so I hope that was some good content for y'all boys. Probably about to spin back with the 360 and get a little bit more footage over here for y'all boys, man. But yeah. About to air it out, show y'all boys what it looked like with the new tires being back.
Air that motherfucker up. Ah, man. That's aired all the way up, as y'all can see.
Yeah. So let's go to like
Ride height. Now, with the skinny or this shorter sidewall, that's ride height, this is low height. Like show shit, like pulling up the shows. Man. Look at that, man. God damn. And I can get even lower in the rear for low height. Yeah, like right there. Come on, bro.
Cause it's probably one of the best videos we gonna get. You know what I mean? Oh, it's not. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, here's a dig. Yo!
That nigga got smoked. Oh, yeah. She back. She back. I should have got the quarter real quick, but I ain't trying to go to jail. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know about them times. Wow! Wow! Yes, yeah, we back, baby. 3.7 fucking 4. God damn! Damn, she feel good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, why you gotta cut me off, man? You see, I'm getting content. Should we do it to him? YouTube. Should we do it to him? Downshift. Nah. Yeah, she feel good, Dan. These tires feel amazing, guys. Like, I cannot tell y'all enough, bro. New axles, new tires. About to get this alignment. We're gonna be good to go. We're gonna be good to go. Hear me? Safety though, with safety and love, we'll be alright. Let me slow the fuck down. Your boy Hot Side Fist, I'ma fuck with y'all know that.